Hello beautiful people, I hope you all are doing well, and in today's video I'll be teaching you some amazing idioms which you can use on day-to-day basis. The first one is once in a blue moon. जब आप किसी को ऐसे बोलते हैं कि कभी कभी, rarely, that means कि I go to market or maybe I go to watch movies once in a blue moon, that means rarely. इसका एक और synonym भी होता है, that means seldom. Seldom also means rarely. SELDOM. The second one for today is don't put all your eggs in one basket. I'm sure you must have heard a lot of investors saying this, and specifically Warren Buffett, who is one of the biggest investors. He generally says this, that never put all your eggs in one basket. That means when you are planning to do any sort of investment, you should always diversify and you should never put all your resources in one thing. So that means don't put all your eggs in one basket. And the third one is 24/7. इसके लिए हम एक और टर्म यूज करते हैं, दैट मीन्स राउंड द क्लॉक. अब जैसे कि आपने बोला दिस स्टोर इज ओपन 24/7 और मे बी आई गो टू डू ग्रॉसरी फ्रॉम 24/7 और मे बी हिज eating joint is open round the clock, that means 24/7. Alright, and then the fourth one for today is raining cats and dogs. Suppose for example बाहर बहुत बारिश हो रही है, तेजी से बारिश हो रही है, then you can say it's raining cats and dogs outside. मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा बारिश होना, बहुत तेजी से बारिश होना. So if you want to convey this message, you can say it's raining cats and dogs outside. I might not be able to come for the meeting. So that is how this particular term is used. And the next one is hold your horses. Suppose if somebody has got super excited, बहुत ज़्यादा excitement level बढ़ गया, then you can say wait, you have to hold your horses. मतलब excitement level को अपने control करिए. And then hit the sack. Hit the sack means go to bed. Now for example, somebody has asked you, or maybe specifically when the IELTS students go for their IELTS exam, they are generally asked, what time do you sleep? So they can say, I generally, or maybe you can say, I generally hit the sack around 11 p.m. मतलब I go to bed around 11 p.m. And then the last one for today is born with a silver spoon. If somebody is born with a lot of wealth, is born with a lot of richness, then we can say this, he is born with a silver spoon in mouth. Is that okay? So all these idioms we can always use, and generally as well we can use. I specifically want my students to just learn those idioms which are used on day-to-day basis. So let's just quickly revise them. We have done once in a blue moon, that means kabhi kabhi, rarely, जैसे कि I go to market once in a blue moon for shopping. Then under the weather, I think I forgot under the weather. Under the weather means sick. If you're not feeling well, then you can say under the weather. Like I can say, I might not take your class today because I'm under the weather. That means I'm little sick. The third one which we did today is don't put all your eggs in one basket. मतलब अपने सारे resources को एक जगह पे नहीं रखना है. 24/7 मतलब क्या होता है? Round the clock, हमेशा खुला रहता है. Then we did raining cats and dogs, मतलब बहुत तेजी से बारिश होना. Then we did hit the sack. Hit the sack मतलब go to bed. And then the last one which we did was born with a silver spoon in mouth. So all these idioms you can learn. Make sure that you start working on yourself. Write down on the piece of paper, and then you can try using them. Whenever it is possible. Suppose you are texting somebody, if you want to say something, try to replace words with these idioms. Like I'll give you a very small example. See, happy. I'm happy today. Happy is a word which we very often use. हम बहुत ज़्यादा use करते हैं. Happy के कुछ synonyms होते हैं, जैसे elated. I'm very elated to see you. Elated मतलब happy. Cloud9 मतलब होता है बहुत ज़्यादा खुश. जैसे हम कहते हैं I was on Cloud9 when I got to know that she has got her Canada's visa. Or maybe I was in 7th sky when I got to know my student Nikita has got her Canada's visa. So that is how you can use these terms. Try to find out synonyms. It's going to make your speaking super amazing, super easy, and very impressive. What I also tell my students generally, and I recommend them, that you make a list of words. For example, अगर आपको happy है, आपने happy लिखा, उसके नीचे 3 words लिखो, जैसे कि elated, cloud9, seventh sky. So this way you can improve and enhance your English language skills, because English is all about synonyms. One word which has a lot of meanings, you should know them. Sorry, one word which are similar in meaning, you should definitely know them. Alright, and then what you can do is, like, if you want to practice speaking, right, stand in front of mirror, try to improve your English language skill. Then you can record yourself as well. Generally I tell students to record themselves. If you're speaking, you can record. I'll just make another video as well, in which I'll be telling you in detail how you can improve your English language skills. So thank you so much. That is all for today. I'm sure these idioms would help you to get better, and in case you have any other doubt, you can always write to me in the comment section. Thank you.